nagpapasalamat kami sa kanya kasi ngayon lang po namin nakita. Ako po ay nandun sa higher education for the last 20 years pero ngayon ko lang nakita kung gaano kapursigido ang ating Pangulo sa pagpapatupad ng mga nakalaan sa ating UNIFAS law. For the Commission on Higher Education, talaga pong nakaka-inspire ang pagtaas ng aming budget from 33 billion ng NEP ay nag-increase ng 40.11%. That is amounting to 47 billion pesos. And out of this 47 billion, 40 billion is dedicated to implement the UNIFAS law. That includes the free higher education, free tuition fee for all students enrolling in state-funded university, local university and colleges, and assistance to students who are going to enroll in private universities na wala pong na ipatayo na government-funded state university and colleges doon. On top of that, may mga tertiary education subsidy. So nagagalak po ako na lahat po ng ongoing na enrolled ng state-funded university at mga tertiary education subsidy